Glowing Star, The Power of One More Step, a motivational story, extended version, Glowing Star. In a peaceful little village surrounded by green fields and tall mountains, there lived a young boy named Arun. Arun had a dream that made his heart race every time he thought about it. He wanted to become the fastest runner in the entire region. Every morning, before the sun even touched the sky with golden light, Arun tied his old worn-out shoes and ran across the fields. But no matter how hard he tried, he would lose his breath halfway and his legs would tremble. One day, after failing yet again, he sat under a big banyan tree. Tired, discouraged, almost ready to give up. He whispered to himself, "Maybe I'm just not good enough. Maybe this dream isn't for me." Nearby, an old man, known in the village for his wisdom, was cutting wood. He heard Arun's soft voice and looked at him kindly. Walking toward him, he said, "Son, why do you look so defeated?" Arun hesitated, but then spoke honestly. "I try so hard, but I always stop. I think I'll never be a good runner." The old man smiled gently, his eyes shining with years of experience. He placed his hand on Arun's shoulder and said, "Do you know what makes a champion? A champion is not the one who runs the fastest. A champion is the one who takes one more step when everyone else stops." Arun looked up, surprised. "Just one more step?" The old man nodded. "Yes. Greatness doesn't come from winning. It comes from continuing, even when every part of you wants to stop." Those words settled deep in Arun's heart like seeds ready to grow. Sunrise over mountains, the journey begins. The next morning, Arun ran again. His legs hurt. His breath stumbled. Sweat dripped down his face. But this time he whispered, "Just one more step." And he took it. The next day, he again pushed himself. One more step. One more breath. One more try. Days turned into weeks. His body grew stronger. His confidence grew deeper. His spirit grew unbreakable. Dash. Checkered flagged the village race. Finally, the announcement came. The village's annual running race. Runners from nearby villages also joined. Many wore new shoes, perfect clothing, and had years of training. Arun felt nervous, but he remembered the old man's words. The whistle blew, and the race began. Runners sprinted ahead with incredible speed. Arun ran too, but soon his legs started burning again. His breath growing heavy. His mind whispered, "Stop, you can't win." But his heart answered, "One more step." And he kept going. He fell behind many runners. But he did not stop. Every turn, every hill, every stretch of the track, his soft voice pushed him forward. One more step, one more step. Dash. Glowing Star, the finish line. When Arun finally reached the finish line, he wasn't first, not even second. But the moment he crossed it, something magical happened. The entire crowd stood up and gave him the loudest applause. People cheered, clapped, and some even had tears in their eyes. They had seen his struggle. They had seen his effort. They had seen him refuse to quit. Arun didn't win the race, but he won something far greater. He conquered his own limits. And that is the greatest victory any human being can achieve. Dash. Sparkle's moral of the story. Vitroid pointing backhand index. Success doesn't come from being the strongest or the fastest. Vitroid pointing backhand index. Success comes from the courage to take one more step, even when it's hard. White right pointing backhand index. True winners are not the ones who never fall. They are the ones who rise again and again. Dash.